me flowers. You don't sing me love songs.
You hardly talk to me anymore when I come through the door at the end of the day.
I remember when you couldn't wait to love me, used to hate to leave me. Now after loving me late at night,
Well, it's good for you, babe, and you're feeling alright.
well, you just roll over and turn out the light, and you don't bring me flowers anymore.
It used to be so natural to talk about forever, but used to be's don't count anymore. They just lay on the floor till we sweep them away.
Baby, I remember all the things you taught me.
I learned how to laugh and I learned how to cry.
Well, I learned how to love and I learned how to lie.
So you think I could learn how to tell you goodbye?
How to tell you goodbye. You don't bring me flowers anymore.
When you think I could learn
How to tell you
goodbye, but you don't say you need me.
and you